everybody. So here we are back at all my videos of decks pretty much. And we're back at this deck to finish off the last little bit. You excited, Pato?
Can't wait. I don't know about the heat though. Heat's going to be a bit of a bitch, but we're hard men, so it'll be fine.
That's true, that's true.
And here's the latest weather report.
Scott Brown here. Today we have all the decking we need so we can try and finish the deck. It's a lot of the tricky parts, so it takes longer than we'd like, but this week we should be able to finish everything and get out of here. There's a pathway to do around the back, there's a few things. But today I'm running around Auckland looking at the next jobs. So join me. Sorry, Bill. We're currently in typical Auckland traffic. Slow and dragging. 7 minutes to go until we get to Ellerslie. Alright, minor drama. My meeting's in half an hour and I just had a look at my camera battery and it's on the last bar. There's an electronics store around the corner. I'm gonna go there right now. Hopefully I can get something that will... a car charger or something like that. Wish me luck.
A few moments later.
No luck. They had cables that went into the wall, which I already have, but nothing that goes into the car. I'm not sure I'll be shoving my camera in the face of a prospective client anyway, so I'll see you very soon. That car right there, that Hyundai car that just drove past with the kayak on, they're filming an ad right now. I had to move my van for that car to go past, and there's like a guy down the street with a camera like this. So I'm not the only idiot with a big ass camera filming themselves. Look how nice this street is.
20 minutes later.
2 meetings over, 2 jobs locked in. Good day, good day. Now I go back to the job and actually perform like the carpenter I'm meant to be. It's fun, eh?
I don't even know if I would even bother uploading it. I just want to do it, you know?
Yeah, well that's the best. I really like making videos because you can watch them in the years to come.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah.
Like when I watched the one of me and you doing Daryl's,
Was it funny?
it was cool as. Like we're putting the posts up and all that, and at the time I probably wouldn't have thought of it as anything significant.
Yeah.
But now when I go back years later, it's real interesting. And that's why I'm doing it.
Please don't talk about me when I'm gone. Oh honey, though our friendship ceases from now on. Please don't talk about me when I'm gone. Oh honey, though our friendship ceases from now on.
Scott Brown here. So we're doing all the slow decorative pieces along here. Takes time, but it looks really cool when you're finished. So we've just got to do that around there and continue it from this corner all the way up to where Pato's working. And let's go have a look at that part of the deck that he's been working on. Why is it pretty dodgy? It's not legit.
Looks, yeah, like a home job.
So Pato's been doing all these bits here that take time as well. Around the pole and everything's an angle and yeah, these things take time.
Good times, bro. Good times.
It's good progress, mate. It's looking good. This is like the last section of the deck.
There, eh?
Yeah. This is the last corner here, and then wrapping around. We're nearly there. Exciting. See, it's those small details that sets you apart as a builder. It's very tempting to just settle for less. I need to sit this on something. There's a difference between a good and a bad carpenter, and there's a very thin line in between. Quite easy to cross that line. I can tell that I'm starting to cross that line when I'm saying, oh, that's good enough. I'm rushing because I'm worried that I'm taking too long, and that's when I have to step back and go, all right, in a year's time, will this still look good? If the answer is no, then I stop and take some extra time and do it properly. Today was a good day. I've still got to make a couple of phone calls and stuff like that. It was good to line up the jobs that we'll be doing next. So there's some interesting stuff coming up. I've been talking far too long. Now, tomorrow, Thursday, we only have one thing to worry about. Finish the path and the deck. That's all we have to do. And then, on Thursday, a new job. Until then.
Please don't talk about me when I'm gone.